Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kohl Credit Card account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Kohl's Credit Card Login. Once you make search, just scroll down a little bit and you'll find Kohl's Credit Card. Just click there. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username and your password. In case you forgot your username, you can click here, and if you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedback will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.